Hello and welcome to Civil Engineering Bits.
Today, we're talking about an important topic in concrete construction: no-fine concrete. If you want to know what makes this mix special, and how it's used, you're in the right spot. Let's get started.
So, what exactly is no-fine concrete? Unlike traditional concrete, which uses a mix of coarse aggregates, fine aggregates, and cement, no-fine concrete is specially formulated with only coarse aggregates and cement.
That's right, there's no fine aggregate in this mix. In a standard concrete mix, you have coarse aggregates like gravel, fine aggregates like sand, and cement. The coarse aggregates provide strength, the fine aggregates fill gaps, and the cement binds everything together. No fine concrete, on the other hand, skips the fine aggregates, relying solely on coarse aggregates and cement. This results in a mix that has larger aggregate particles and less overall paste. The lack of fine aggregates means that the mix has a lower water-cement ratio, which can lead to different properties compared to traditional concrete.
But why use no-fine concrete? Well, it has several distinct advantages. Let's take a closer look at some of them. Improved drainage. Because of the larger aggregate size and the gaps between them, no-fine concrete allows water to drain through more easily. This makes it an excellent choice for applications like pavements, parking lots, and other surfaces where drainage is crucial. Reduced weight. The lack of fine aggregates means that no-fine concrete is lighter compared to traditional concrete. This can be beneficial in applications where weight reduction is important.
Cost efficiency. By omitting fine aggregates, you can reduce material costs. Coarse aggregates are often less expensive than fine aggregates, making no-fine concrete a cost-effective solution for certain projects.
Aesthetic appeal. No-fine concrete has a distinct, rugged appearance with visible aggregate surfaces. This can be used to create visually interesting designs or finishes, particularly in architectural applications.
Now, it's important to note that no-fine concrete isn't always the best choice for every application. It has lower compressive strength compared to conventional concrete, so it might not be suitable for structural elements that require high strength. It's typically used in non-structural applications or in combination with other materials for added strength. Here's a quick comparison of compressive strengths. Traditional concrete can have strengths ranging from 20 to 40 megapascals or more, while no-fine concrete generally falls on the lower end of this scale.
When mixing no-fine concrete, you'll generally use a mix ratio of about 1 part cement to 4 or 5 parts coarse aggregates. The exact proportions can vary based on the project requirements and the type of coarse aggregate used.
And once it's mixed, you pour it just like any other concrete. Keep in mind that because of its unique properties, finishing techniques might differ slightly to achieve the desired surface texture and appearance. That's a wrap on no-fine concrete. I hope this video gave you a solid understanding of what no-fine concrete is, its benefits, and its ideal uses.
If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos on civil engineering topics.